Hi, well, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. I've been under the weather for the last couple weeks, about 11 days now, I guess. But I got a job to do today. Should be pretty simple. This here is a clothes drying rack. I think what I'll do is I'll just cut the tape and just get at it. This should be simple, and I think you just unfold it. So let's dig in and see. Little hooks. There it is there. You see that? It just folds and unfolds. I do believe I have instructions. Made in China. Apparently, you have to pull this up, and this one here comes down. Oh, that's telescopic too. Okay, they're locked in. And that's locked in. And then you just, there we go. That's it. I thought I was gonna have to screw things together and stuff. It just unfolds. What else we got here? Okay, that's for the middle there. Let's see how that hooks in. Apparently, this thing telescopic. Oh, that's pretty big. Shorty. And then this here. And then you get in here. That's it right there. That's it. Right from Amazon. I think they're like 45 bucks. Okay, so you have to do something like this. And then it sinks down in there. And then that'll stay. Oh, okay, I got you. Sort of locks it in there. What's that? Foldable X-type clothes error. I guess I should show you how this thing comes apart here. That just comes out of the center there. It's like an add-on. But I don't know if you can see that or not. Unlock them here. Right. Unlock these. And then this will fold up this way. One will You gotta watch this. I think this one here will fold up. Fold it inside there, and that one will fold down inside there. There you go. Then you can just store it over in the corner, wherever you want. How about that? That's pretty slick. Won't take much room up at all when you're not using it. And bring it back out. You know? Open it up here. Then go line and lock them all. Lock them all. Then you got the center one if you need it. That just slips right down inside here. Boom. That's it. Alright, that's all I got for you today. I want to thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. And remember, be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya. Here we go.